Hiya, foodies. This is Chef Pete, and we're here today to talk about low-carb ground turkey skillet. As you can see, I've got some ground turkey I'm browning over here, and we're going to put some items in here because we're making a low-carb, right? Okay, so low-carb, I've got some mushrooms here. I've got some cannelli beans. You can use black beans, you can use kidney beans, whatever kind of beans you like. And over here, I've got some green beans and some asparagus, right? And over here, I have some nice San Marzano diced tomatoes. And then what we're going to do is put this all together and make our low carb, with a salad we'll have later, low carb meal. So low carb meals are really easy to do, and they're quick because you're doing them in one pan, right? Okay, so give it a try. Vary your vegetables. I'm using beans and asparagus today. You could use cauliflower, you could use broccoli, Swiss chard spinach, green leafy vegetables, green vegetables, and that cauliflower too. Don't let me forget, you can use cauliflower if you like. All right, so there we have it. This is the way to go. Keep your carbs down, keep your activity up, and you can lose weight as you're eating healthy. So this is Peter Carpizzos. I'll show you how to put this together. Watch the shorts. Pete out.